Hey guys, this is Calabasa here, and I'm doing another package opening. This time I did a few bit of orders, but because I've been doing so many batch orders, I really don't know what I got. But yep, I am planning on doing unboxing videos, and here's the second one. So yeah, I wonder what I got today because I have 3 or 4 things to open up, and I'm excited. But like I said, I really don't know what I got because of all the batch orders. So yeah. so yeah, let's just get started with this one. I gotta move this back up. Big old yellow thing here. Okay, with the super sealing. Here. Whoops. Shit. Get rid of that. Oh hey, it's my Eda bag. Yes, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Let's see. Oh. Wow, they hooked me up with this order. They even gave me the starter kit and everything. Little candies. Loop hanging keychain. It's smaller than I thought it would be, but that's okay. It's a messenger bag, and messenger bags are not really that humongo. And we give you safety pins. That's funny. It's like we made you this welcome thingy to put our best foot forward and show you what we're all about. It's full of tips, tricks, and tidbits to help you get the most out of your time with Kokon. Wow. Now look at this in a little while. But yeah, this is. Oh wow, it's double-sided too. Wow.
What the hell is this poop plastered shit smothered piece of fuck? And what does it have to do with Street Fighter? Well,
Wow.
That's about it. It has Ken, or more or less a guy in a spacesuit named.
Yep, I can seriously hope that this would be a great Eda bag because I'm not gonna lie with you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. All the cheaper Eda bags that I've gotten were disasters. Like, you would buy them for like $25 and then they end up like falling apart in like less than a month. It sucks. So yeah, I really do hope that this one will work out for me. Alright, let's check out the second one. I mean, I know this is definitely one of the hoodies I ordered, but like I said before, I don't know which one I just don't know because I ordered so fucking many of them, and my friends have helped me with the orders because I contribute. So it's like I don't know. I don't know. It's like I could be ordering like 10 of these, and then I just don't know which one I'll get in the mail first. So it's. Ooh. What do you know? It's Daishinkon. Okay, this guy I discussed in my rant video where Daishinkon, aka the Grand Priest, translated in English. That's what Daishinkon means. It's the Grand Priest in English. But like I said, like he as a character kind of creeps me out because he's like so stupid nonchalant to the point where it's creepy. But I mean, I do like him as a character nonetheless, and I know he's Whis' father, etc., etc. But the thing is, it's like he's one of those mysterious characters that you just don't want to piss off. But yeah, I'm actually happy. I can't wait to. I really can't wait to wear this. Epic. And then this one here came from Super Dimitri, 1991. So yes, as you can see, it's Goku Black, but as Rose. I mean, I can crack so many jokes about Rose because I found out that Rose is actually could be a form of wine and is fermented pink from the skins of red grapes. Yeah. So if you think about it, Goku Black called himself Rose as a mockery to everyone's bad naming senses when it comes to their Super Saiyan forms. That's all bad. And then for my Ida bag, I got these little guys. You can tell I got Cumber because he's my favorite. He's my favorite Saiyan. Oh man, my neighbors and everything. And I got Sheen. Of course, I got Hearts. Yeah, this albino bastard. And last but not least, I got Few. So I can't wait to put these in my Ida bag. But yeah, these are so far the things I've gotten in the mail so far. But like I said, I got more to come. But I just don't know what I'm going to get next because I've been getting a lot of batch orders. So yeah, stay tuned. This is the DBZ Otaku Calabasa. I'll see you later.